In this video, I'll detail how to access Control Center on WatchOS 11. So just the way you can access Control Center on your iPhone, you can also access Control Center on your Apple Watch. So this is based on the OS, whether you're using WatchOS 10 or WatchOS 11, this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, you found this really informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to access Control Center on WatchOS 11 on your Apple Watch, all you just need to do is locate the side button here. Then there are two buttons on the Apple Watch, the G2 crown, and then the side button. So the side button stands for the control center button. You can just click on it to open the control center, or tap on it again to close the control center. Now go ahead and type in your Apple Watch passcode to unlock it. Then press the control center button once. Then you should see your WatchOS 11 control center on your Apple Watch. Then press it again. Then this is going to close the control center. Once you press it once, it's going to open the control center. Then you can use the G2 crown to navigate through. And once you press it again, it's going to close the control center. So this is how you can easily access control center on WatchOS 11 on Apple Watch. So if you found this really informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.